Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Avi, this ain't just a hobby, I'm legit. I'm legit. Hello, hi, hello. Happy Martes, everyone. Once again, it is Mix Martes. How are you? Kamusta kayo? Late tayo tonight because I had my nails done and I also had my toes done. No free feet pics. Yun na yun. Okay na yun. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? How are y'all? How's everyone? Hi, goddess. Taray, naging past tense yung goddess. Goddess. Panotice po. Eto na, B. Okay ka na. Buo na gabi mo. Charit. May plan ka ba magpagupit, ma? I want it styled. Maybe a little trim, but I don't really want to super shorten it because I am growing it out. Eto mamatay na, sakto talaga ikaw mag-live. Eh di buhay ka na. Charis. Love the nails. Watch Legally Blonde, so much better, makes me teary-eyed pa rin dahil sa'yo. Oh my God. I have not watched Blue Reps Legally Blonde. When are they closing? When are they closing? Is it closing weekend? Am I missing my chance? I need to watch it. I was supposed to watch it nung opening nila or like press preview na or something. But that was the night before Pobla 5 and we were rehearsing. Nagbubuo kami ng 10-minute prod number, so I did not have time to watch. Like natapos na kami sa rehearsals like 6. So wala nga namang aabot ako ng like 6:30. Anyway, basta they closed last weekend. R.I.P. Parang ang bilis naman. 2 weeks lang. Oh, sabag, you know what? I forgot my Blue Rep roots. A 2-week show run is normal. Fuck! Oh my God, 2 weeks. Shit, okay. Lungkot, but whatever. Ano nga gawin ko? Pa-shower out sana kaso baka mahirapan ka. Ayan! Tama yan! Nag-a-adjust kayo. Charis. Ano po topic natin ngayon, ma? I don't know. Any na mine. Nag-rewatch ako Drag Race Philippines Season 3 these days kasi miss ko na kayong Season 3 weeks. We have not had a show together in a while. I haven't seen my sisters in a while and miss ko na yung mga bakla. Haul down ng mga gifts from fan meet. Chika muna tayo. Let me warm up. Chika muna tayo and then magbukas tayo ng gifts. Anyway, flex tayo na deals. Ayan siya. The concept, the idea was parang may nakita kasi akong like video of nails na mukha siyang like fluted glass. So, medyo ganun yung vibe. But then I wanted like a bit of charm. So, parang ano siya, ang atake niya champagne in a fluted glass. Ganon. Fluted glass. Basta gets yung parang like may ridges na baso. Wala ako nun sa bahay kasi I don't... May pet peeve ako sa mga basong ganon. Like, pag hindi ako yung maghuhugas, scary. Pero pag dito, since like I live on my own now, ayoko bumili ng baso na may texture kasi ang hirap niyang linisin, ang hirap niyang kuskusin minsan. Parang dahil nagsisingit-singit yung mumu dun sa, basta, gets nyo ba? Gets nyo na yon, okay na yon. Panalo manok natin, Cory, ate! So, what happened was, ang atake, nung election, Muji ko kasi is a senior. So, para hindi naman sobrang aga. Kasi diba ang seniors parang 5:30 to 6:30 yata or something yung time slot nila. Yung mom ko nag-adjust for me. Sabi niya, gusto niya maaga pa rin para mahabol niya yung like priority time slot. Pero, like, ayaw naman niya akong bulabugin ng sobrang madaling araw. So, parang ginising niya ako 7. Tapos, nandun na kami sa sa elementary school na pinagbobotohan namin sa Marikina, before 7:30, pumila na kami. I was done voting mga 8:30. It took me like 1 hour. And then sa mom ko, it took like, let's say, mga like an hour and a half, almost 2, parang ganon. Di ko nga alam. Siya yung, kung sinong nasa priority lane, siya pa yung matagal. Pero I guess kasi yung room na yun, puro senior. So, alam niyo naman ng mga seniors, medyo mas bagal. Anyway, ayun, parang sobrang after nun, nawala ako sa tangent ko. After ng botohan, pagka-uwi sa bahay, natulog ako uli. Pagkagising ko, pagkakita ko nung poll, my God, Kiko Bam and Akbayan. Akbayan number 1. Like, bitch, let's go. Wala, nabuhayan ako. Kasi nga, like, as a kakampink, ngayon ko na lang siya ulit i-claim. Kasi ka para medyo bad rep ang kakampink mentality the past few years. But you know what? The movement, it's paying off. Favorite kuto nung season 3? Favorite mo ko! Takaya ng kuto, akala ko. Tinatawag mo ko kuto. Glimmer of Hope nga ni correct. Like, 2 of 12. Well, girly pop. Last election we had 1 of 12. And last election we had 1 of 12. This year we have 2 of 12, meaning we have 3 of 24. Plus Akbayan yung nangunguna sa party lists. So that's 3 seats. Akbayan has 3 seats. So, like, let's take our wins where we can. Hindi naman tayo pwede mag 0 to 100. Hindi naman pwede na parang last election lot tayo tapos ngayon all 12 slots atin, 'di ba? I mean, ideally ganoon, pero I mean, we're in the Philippines, so huwag na tayo umasa sa ganoon. So, like, let's take our wins, no matter how small, no matter how slow. Let's take our wins where we can. Hopefully, malay mo sa next election sa 2028, makakuha tayo ng vice president, makakuha tayo ng president, makakuha tayo ng 3 out of 12, 4 out of 12. Like, girl, let's take our wins where we can. Huwag na nating maliitin yung 2 out of 12. Like, huwag na nating maliitin yung 2 out of 12. Plus, controversial topic, but Heidi Mendoza. Heidi Mendoza had a pretty good turnout for not being, having a strong financial backing. Kasi nga, hindi naman siya kumukuha sa kaba ng bayan, ganyan. Maganda yung turnout niya. And honestly, like, I still voted for Madam. I still voted for Madam Heidi, even though, yun nga, she does not support same-sex equal rights. I still voted for her because I believed in what she represented. Hopefully, malinawan siya na the equal rights movement, the LGBT movement is just, it's the right side of history to be on. And I hope she comes around to that, na for the next election, mali mo masuportahan na siya ng mga bakla, ganyan. Like, and I'm sure, marami naman ako kilala na LGBT members that still voted for Heidi. Kasi nga, kumpara naman sa iba. Compared naman sa iba. For more, tapos si, Lucas Espiritu din, maganda rin yung turnout. So, malay mo, if they run again for Senate next year, makakuha na sila ng seats in the 12. Let's take our wins where we can. Alam mo yon, parang bakla kesa naman yung last election, si Sen. Risa lang. Tapos yung vice, like yung president and VP. Anyway, ayun. For more, given na this is a midterm election, hindi naman kasing power yung pagka-campaign ngayong midterm elections compared to like national elections, compared to pag president na yung tumatakbo. Hindi ganun ka lagari yung campaign. But still, top 3, top 5 spots, kunin natin yon. At least walang budots, real. Si Ramon, tas ang last name niya, Bong Revilla. Wow, galing. Bakit yung sa amin binayaran ng 5,000 pesos din tinutukan ng gun yung mga voters para i-vote sila? Saan yan? I think you should report that. For more, I think that shouldn't happen kasi dapat may poll watchers and COMELEC people on site. Pero kung saan man yan, sana ni-report nyo na siya para umabot siya sa, national news. And if nambubullshit ka lang, that's not really something to joke about. Babawi tayo sa 2028, kaya pa-register na sana yung iba dyan. Correct, if hindi kayo registered to vote and you were registered, if you were of age to vote ngayong election and you weren't registered to vote, do better. Kaya pa bumawi. Basta, pag pwede kayong bumoto ng 2028, register to vote in 2028. May na nakaipon ng 3K 3 days before election. Ay. Girl, may narinig nga ako sa Marikina, nagdo-door to door pa eh. No po ma, I'm not joking po. Sana mas magkaroon ng national attention yung news coverage niyan. Kasi that's not right. But also, unfortunately, nasa Pilipinas tayo and unfortunately, violence during election season is not all that new. So, tangina. Sa amin madaming nahuli nung election day. Nahuli for what? Nahuli for what exactly? No, we're still, ang dami pa rin nating, kailangang baguhin sa system. Of course. Totoo po ang vote buying, kasagsagan na po ng botohan, may mga nagaganap pa rin po, may mga nanggagapang pa rin po ng vote kahapon. Diyos ko Lord. Kung kaya natin maglagari ng drag show, sana kaya rin natin magbigay ng time para mag-rehistro, correct? If nasa right age na and hindi bumoboto kasi pare-parehas lang naman sila, yung reason you guys should be ashamed, yes. It's a good start for Kadaning and Ronel Arambulo to get almost 4 million votes. Sana they still run for the next election. Yes, actually bumoto ako sa kanila. Right? Dami tayong mag-drag show, hindi pala registered voter. Sino ba yan? Sino ba yung hindi registered voter na laging nababad sa drag show? Nakaabot pa sa live yay. Kaka-start lang natin. So, anyway, ayun, meron tayong a few gifts from the fan meets that we have to open. Actually, na-open ko na sila. Na-open ko na sila on the day of the fan meets itself. Pero syempre, buksan natin siya on live para makita nyo. Okay. And then I also have a few things to open. Mga PR stuff here. Let's open all of them on live. Let me just get my boxes and stuff. Okay. Gagi, wala po ito. Ala. Ma, pwede ba minor sa meet and greet? If pwede ang minor sa show, pwede ang minor sa meet and greet. Unboxing challenge starts now. FOMO sa fan meet, wow, lapit na sa bahay, so mapakiramdam. Ang dami yung ganyan. Ang dami yung hindi pumunta. Sorry, okay lang. Kung sino man yung ilang milyon na bumoto kay Kibuloy, mapatawad pa sana kay ni Lord. Diyos ko, bakit naman... Anyway, bukas tayo. OMGT, sabi ko nga, once we're eligible to register na, mag-register na. Lalo na't mas magandang makibakal ng maingay at may boses. I haven't seen the statistics yet, but a lot of people are attributing the good turnout. Well, the better turnout for this election compared to the last one to a lot of the parang members of the campaign movement that weren't voters yet last elections. May mga tao nag-attribute the good turnout to them becoming registered voters. Anyway, point is, pag kayang magrehistro, Pag kayang magrehistro para bumoto, magrehistro na. Pero kung kung ang iboboto mo lang naman si Kibuloy, parang wag na. Charis. If legal agent mag-register na go. Sana taga Martes na Ha? Sana taga Martes na ano daw? 60% millennials plus Gen Zs. O, ayun. Basta yun. Anyway, okay. Magbukas tayo. Meron tayong mga bubuksan dito. Simulan natin sa this one. Cute. Yeah, this one. So, may nagbigay sa akin ito. May pangalan ba to? Medyo napagsama-sama na naman namin yung boxes. So, hindi ko ma-distinguish. Anyway, kung ikaw to, shout out mo yung self mo sa comments. Charis. But yeah, I saw this. Alam mo, sobrang daming fan art na tong hair na to. This was also the hair that I used for may kumot ko to runway kasi. Tapos netong for the PUP magazine cover shoot ko lang siya uli ginamit. Tapos I love it. What if sa Bacolod ka naman meron kaming nag-email si Bagani Bacolod sa akin last month pa yata or early this month. Hindi pa siya finalized eh. Parang hindi pa sila nag-reply. Like nag-inquire sila kung available yung dates. Umuo kami, nag-ask sila ng rates. And then hindi na sila nag-reply. Yung rates ko naman, well, yung handler ko yung nagde-decide ng rates ko. But yung rates ko naman is always negotiable. So we're hoping lang for a response. If tatawad sila, okay lang naman yun sa amin. But hopefully, mag-respond na sa amin si Bagani Bacolod soon kasi I really do want to go to Bacolod. Official na po ba kayo ni Yudi? Go. Char. Anyway, ayun. Eto, bigay ito sa akin ni Cheska. Cheesecake. Nag-follow up ako, tinawagan ko, wala pang sagot si Bagani. Ano na? Paano ako pupunta ng Bacolod niyan kung di kayo nag-reply? Ala. Anyway, this one is from Cheska. Binigyan niya ako ng mga pen na personalized. Ayan. Pang-sign ng mga kontrata. But most likely, panglista ng kailangan i-grocery. Char. Cute. I love it. Yung ball pen, puro pink. Tapos lahat may Mick Chanel. I love it. Puntahan ko na ba, Migo? Katukin mo na. Katukin mo na yan siya. Dasmariñas sabihan nyo kung sino man yung kailangan nyo sabihan. Like, City Hall, kung may-ari ng bar dyan. Sabihan nyo, message kami, go, madali lang naman. Nakikita ko yung backdrop sa likod when na-shoot. Ready na? Okay na yung kuko ko. Okay na yung kuko ko. Pwede na tayo mag-shoot next week? Next week tayo dyan. Bet mo ba? Mayroon akong dalawang concept na gustong i-shoot. And then, meron pa ako ibang looks na hindi pa na-shoot. Basta ayun. Anyway. Ano po meron sa inyo ni Yudi? Hulaan nyo! Just go, Lord! These questions. Sana first weekend of June ka sa Bacolod para kita-kits. Yung si Bagani, they asked for parang last weekend of June yata rather, sorry. It's for Pride weekend. Yung Cebu ko rin na udlot. Yung Cebu ko na udlot. Hindi na tayo matutuloy sa Cebu. Anyway, ayun, so we got this drawing and we received personalized pens. And then, yes! So, si Matthew, yung gumawa ng sticker sheet ko, which is still available, by the way. Gusto niyo ba mag-live selling ako dito? Charot. My sticker sheet is still available. Matthew gave me keychains of the stickers. Ayan. Eh. And of course, my favorite one. She's devastated. She's feeling very devastated right now. And then, of course, she, Miss Kumot Couture right there. Ayan. Thank you, Matthew. And also, we had an extra one that we were able to give away nung fan meet. Marami akong pinamigay nung fan meet. Alam nyo, sa totoo lang, yung mga fan meet na yan, binubudol nyo lang ako magpamigay ng Binubudol nyo lang ako magpamigay ng merch. Mood devastated mix. Correct. Diba? Ganda. Gawin ba natin to? I-produce ba natin to? Ubusin nyo muna yung merch kung available. Go. At remix.channel. Go. Ubusin nyo muna available kong merch bago tayo mag-restock ng any. And then this one, may nagbigay sa akin. It's sobrang nice nito. Sobrang cute nito. Wait. Oh, wait. They don't love you like I love you. Ayan. Oh, look at that. I don't know if it's a bracelet or a necklace. Ah, it's a bracelet. Sobrang cute. Meron siyang sakura flowers. As sakura girly. Ma, baka may isa ka pang fan meet para mapuntahan kita next time. Alam nyo, be? Organize ako ng fan meet. Pinupuntahan nyo ba? Organize. Pupuntahan nyo ba? Nagagawa na naman ako, tapos di na naman makakapunta. Wow! Pinagod nyo na lang yung gay. Anyway, basahin natin yung letter. Kung okay, wait lang. Let me check out the letter of this. Ay, polishing cloth pala to. Hindi pala to letter. May feeling ka po ba kay Yudi, Ang feelings ko para kay Yudi, happiness na may kasamang yamot. Charis! Hala, maraming mga tinamaan. Ang daming tinamaan sa comments. Ang daming tinamaan sa comments. Sorry na lang. Sabihin nyo next time sa lagnat nyo, ganda yung timing. Charis. Kala mo ako, hindi ako nagkasakit the day after. Hindi ako naka-attend ng class, wow. To Mix, hi to my favorite person. So happy to finally see you in person. Di pinayagan ng first fan meet. May this simple gift remind you of my love, Nox. As your supporter, love you so much, Icy. Thank you, Icy, for the cute Sakura bracelet. Say my name and everything just stops. I don't want you like a best friend. Face the wall. Ala, ang daming face the wall sa comments. Ala. Wala ka bang show here sa Cebu? Magkakaroon dapat. Meron dapat. Pero ngayong today, nabalitaan ko today, hindi na daw tuloy. Yamot. Pupunta na dapat. See you Cebu na sana next month. As hindi... Char. Anyway, nagkaroon ng change of plans yung Cebu organizer. Unfortunately. So, hindi na po tayo matutuloy sa Cebu. They hate the dolls. Miss Yuripota, they hate the dolls. Charot. Tutukan na lang daw kami ng baril. Miss Yudi, ano na? Bakla, ano na? Ano nang ganap sa'yo? Eto na mix na kaluhod na oso. Okay, wait. Ang dami namin here na supporter mo. Ang daming bakla dito. Ano gagawin natin? Eh, hindi nga natuloy nga ni. Parang 3 times na naka-cancel sa buko. Girl, honestly, I was so looking forward to going back to Cebu. I had the best time in Cebu last year. And given ano pa yun, hindi pa ako nagkaroon ng time to actually like go out and, you know, sightsee. Literally, I flew in and out Cebu. I flew in, had a show the next day, tanghali, I flew out. But sobrang saya ng Cebu crowd. I love the crowd ng Cebu. And honestly, I'm disappointed na hindi siya matutuloy. But, ano magagawa natin? Oh, I miss Cebu din, The Boys. Honestly, The Boys and Cebu, single pa ako last year. So, nung time na nasa Cebu ako last year, single ako. And let me say, Cebu. Pero now, she's a married woman. So, none of that. Loyalty. Ay, may ibang namimiss si Yudi. Sino yan? Okay, this is from Murray. I love you, Murray. Hi, Mix. I wanted to give you a literal house-warming gift from my brand. Thank you for always sparking inspiration to so many. I hope you continue to build the life you love. Love you always. From @__Mumu Art or @Muriel Tanch. Murray, thank you so much. Sobrang cute nito. Like, Mix Chanel starter pack. She loved the illustration. And then, meron siyang wand, may sparkle, may calculator, may Pop Mart na Molly. And then, meron siyang anik-anik shelf na may keroberos at cinnamoroll. Iced coffee at bag na puro anik-anik. Like, y'all know me so well. Like, this is me, this is her, this is she. This is going into my shelf over there. Ang house bag, yes! Girl, like, look at this. Look at this bag. Look at her. Like, it's bag the house down, literally. Literally. Try mo uli mag-Cebu. Kinancelan nga nila ang gay. Anong gagawin ko? Kinancelan nila ang gay. Anong gagawin ko? Kahit ako nasaktan. Cebu. Why do you not want me? Cebu. Sorry. But yeah. My reunion with Cebu is going to have to wait. Sobrang kita bago, OMG. Yeah, I know, Tonton House. Tonton House. Yeah. I was super looking forward. To going to Cebu again. But, ayun nga, anong gagawin ng buddy? So pretty ni Ate Mariel. Yes! Sobrang cute nung bag. I know, Mariel actually sells these bags. Yung bag niya, ano nga yung bag na dala niya na fan? Basta, siya yung gumagawa nito. Siya yung gumagawa ng bags na to. And look, wait. Kaya ka-outfit change lang niya today. Kakarating lang ng bago niyang damit. Look at, it's Tonton. Look. Ano siya? Straight boy siya today. Straight boy. House. Kato ka dyan na. Tonton House. Dreamcast Slation Royal Me. Kung sino man yung pumunta sa filming. Sila yung Dreamcast ko. Charis. Wait. Ay, tanggal yung hat niya. Anyway, ayan. Tonton OOTD expert. Correct. Meron pa yung hindi pa namin pala na-share yung mga bagong outfit. Basta may mga bago siyang outfit. Makikita nyo na lang sa stories ko. Ayan, sa mga Tonton stands dyan. Ito yung bago niyang damit. Oh, ikot ka na. Oh, pakita mo OOTD mo. Flex mo. Ayan, that was from Marie. What else do we have here? Oh, we have another one. This is from Cithanea, Miss @Cithanea. Ayan, o diba? Most fan-arted hair. Like, y'all love this hair. Y'all love this hair so much. Like, look at that. Look at the artistry. 4 more, isang gabi lang na daw ginawa yan. Like, thank you so much for taking the time and to making your fan arts for me. Ilan na ba ang baby boy mo? Isa lang anak namin, si Tonton lang. Tonton Fashion Queen. Tonton Fashion Queen. Real. Yun kay CK @Cithanea. Miss @Cithanea. Char. And then, what else do we got here? Ang cute na to. May nagbigay ng She said Chanel. Yung ibigay ng Chanel t-shirt. I love a white t-shirt, lalo na ngayong mainit ang panahon. And yeah, we love our knock-off Chanel merch because we love Chanel. It's the name. Tonton never beating the fashion queen allegations. Okay, dahil dyan, mamaya papakitaan ko kayo ng bago niyang damit. Bibihis natin siya on live. Over naman sa ask. Ano yon? Over naman sa ask yung alin. Sama ka na lang kay UD sa May 20. Anong meron sa May 21? What's happening on May 21? Ito, from Teacher Milky. Binigyan niya ako ng facial wash ko. Ito yung halatang nanonood talaga ng mga live ko. Kasi binigyan niya ako ng literal na facial wash na ginagamit ko talaga. Garnier once again, at Garnier PH Buchanan. At Garnier PH Buchanan. Di ba, bagay mag-endorse, di ba? Parang, practice tayo ng naghihilamos para sa endorsement. Dalhin daw si Tonton sa Friday sa culture. Baka mawala siya dun. Diba? Garnier. Miss Garnier. Diba? See you soon, Garnier. See you soon. See you soon. What else do we have here? Yeah, medyo napagsama-sama na. So baka may mga na-lost na tag or what. Meron pa. This one, bigay sa akin ni MK nung nasa LU. Ayan. So akala nyo parang salamin kinemburit siya. But when you... Oh, loko. Like, ang cute to. It's blue tulips in a mirror box. Parang infinity mirror box. Bakla, tignan mo parang punong-puno siya. Parang siyang other dimension. Parang siyang tesseract. Ayan, this is from MK. Ano pang binigay sa akin ni MK? Binigyan ako ni MK ng napakahabang letter. Char, nabasa ko na to. And binigyan din tayo ni Si MK ba nagbigay na to? May nagbigay na to. Sunflower. Si MK din ba to? My memory is not serving me well right now. And may sinama siyang book. William Shakespeare, Hamlet. Sana magka-time basahin. 28% ka na lang matagal pa yan. Medyo bago-bago pa yung phone ko, matagal pa yan 28%. Huwag kayong mag-alala. And yeah, that's it. Okay, we have a few PRs to unbox. Wait, let me tabi the letters. Pagsamasamahin ko sila because I do keep all of the letters in a box. Anong genre bet mong book? Lately, so kakatapos ko lang basahin yung Sunrise on the Reaping. And then I'm in the middle of Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. Pero nag-expire yung Audible free trial ko. So, paano ko siya tatapusin? Charis. Tungkol siguro yan sa maliit na yung Hamlet. Oh my God! Ha ha ha! Funny. Charis. The flower was not... ayun. Someone else gave me the flower. But thank you nonetheless sa nagbigay sa akin ng flower. Yan. Dito yan. Dirik. Do you read books from local authors? Honestly, hindi ako masipag magbasa lately. I have been an audiobook girl kasi sobrang favorite ko makinig sa audiobooks. Kala nga naman, dami ko na nabasa audiobooks. Natapos ko yung Sunrise on the Reaping and yung Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. Pinapakinggan ko siya habang nagluluto, habang naglinis around the house. It's very therapeutic. Would recommend. I might actually get an Audible subscription. Mix, babay po. Tutulog na po ako. Good night sa'yo. Okay, moving on to meron tayong mga PR stuff that I have not unboxed yet. Meron tayo from Jelly Time. Every time is sexy time with Jelly Time. Ano daw? Gumawa ng tagline. Hindi ba gumawa tayo ng tagline? So this is, Jelly Time gave me, of course, their blockbuster lubricants. Ano yun? A drag ni Angel. Ano yung sinabi ni Angel? Anong tama? Ano yung sinasabi niyong tama kay Angel? Hindi ko na nakita. Anyway, basta, kung ano man yung sinabi, ulit-ulit baka gusto ko pa ano daw? Baka gusto pa ipaglatag. Sure na ina. And then, they also sent some Jelly Time condoms. Ito yung pinakabago nilang offering. Jelly Time Ultra Thin and Jelly Time Extra Feels. Ayan. Para tayo ay always safe. So that's it. That was from Jelly Time. Jelly Time. Over naman sa W. And then meron tayo another PR box from... Napakita ko na ba ito last time? Parang nakapakita ko na ito last time. Nagkita na ulit kayo nila Kiana. Hindi pa kami nagkikita pero finally nag-reply na sa akin si Alaga. Ang tagal niyang nawala. Finally, nireplyan na ako ni Alaga. Ang tagal niya nawala. Anyway, yun na yun. Hanggang doon na yun. Hanggang doon na lang yun. This one is from Good Molecules. Thank you always, Good Molecules, for all the amazing products that you send me. Good Molecules, Yuzu Blemish Gel Moisturizing Cream. Ayan, i-avail ko yan pag naubos na ang aking current moisturizer. And then, meron na naman tayong pasabog na PR box from Miss Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. Miss Get Ready With Me Cosmetics has been sending me amazing PR for the past, I think, 3 years. Thank you so much, Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. At ano lang naman yan? Napakadami na naman lip tint. Natila bagang 10 ang lips ng first son. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Natila bagang 9 ang lips ng first sons na 8 twirls. Pero ayan, Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. ASMR atake. Sarap mag-ASMR pag may bagong kuko. Anyway, ayun. Ano ba? What shade? Mag-try on tayo right now. Ano bang shade? I usually love like a cool tone, like rose nude. Try natin to. See, naiiba yung kulay kasi. At try natin to si Arctic Berry. Miss Arctic Berry. Shet New Nails Check Correct. Swatch time. Isa lang. Mag-swatch tayo ng Israels. Oh my God. Alam nyo, pero kasi ako like group of friends na lagi kami ganun mag-usap. Lahat ng word may W or may RLS sa dulo. So, ano, ang tawag dito, whip twint. Charot. This is there. Ang daming paper naman. Parang mag-e-exam. The all-new cushion whip twint. Try natin siya. Ah? Ah? Parang MLBB yan siya. Teka, punta tayo sa ano? Punta tayo sa mas white na ilaw. MLBB atake. MLBB atake. Okay, go. Yan, sa bag ko yan. Abos ano siya? Okay, gets ko yung what they're trying to do with this cushion lip tint. Yung consistency niya parang medyo parang alam niyo yung mousse type na liquid lip. Pero mas less viscous, less thick. Medyo ano pa rin siya, parang smoothing siya sa lip, pero tint pa rin yung atake. Kasi diba usually ang tints, lalo na pag dry yung lips mo, medyo nagsisink sa cracks. Ito medyo nabablur na yung cracks ng lips. This is in the shade Miss Kailan ka mag-focus, be? Arctic Berry. Miss Arctic Berry. Ayan. Cushion lip tint. Exclusive debut price is $349. At ang totoong presyo niya is $449. Kabog! April 4 to May 4. Kakatapos lang. So, ano na yan? $449 na yan siya. Ayan yung sabi mo, Shafi. Tagal din mawala ng tint ko I love. Bakla. Parang, wait. Yeah, it's very blurring. Tapos ang mas gusto ko sa kanya, lalo na si Yudi, alam to ni Yudi, I love like a gloss or a tint or a balm na sobrang cooling, yung medyo maanghang. Yung medyo maanghang sa lips, para anyway, ayun. Sis, so love your podcast, Jelly Time. Yeah, so, syempre, maliban sa bagong condoms ng Jelly Time, supportahan din natin yung podcast ko. So, the Jelly Time, the brand's official podcast is Sexy Time with the Daza sisters, Ava and Belle Daza. Kakaguest ko lang doon recently. If you haven't seen the episode, part 1 and part 2 are now up on YouTube. Puntahan nyo, mag-comment kayo. Subscribe kayo sa kanila, like nyo yung video, mag-comment kayo. Sabihin nyo kung gaano nyo kagusto yung episode. Para naman, wala lang, matuwa lang sila sa akin. Char! Anyway, plumping atake para yung lips mo very gano'ng atake. Ayan. Anyway, yes, thank you so much. Get Ready With Me Cosmetics para sa mga lagi nyong pasabog na PR. And last but definitely not the least, Mama. As a Puma girl, we gotta have new Puma shoes. We gotta have new Puma shoes. Like, parang okay, cute, casual sneakers na like, medyo bluish gray. Boosh! She said burakpak. She said hard bakakers. Neon yellow, neon green atake. Thank you, Puma. Puma, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Puma. ASMR live video kasi medyo maingay. Ang tawag dyan, chaotic ASMR. So that's it. That's all of the things we have to unbox for today. Ay, okay, wait. Bibihisan natin si Tonton. Wait, the running shoes by Yarn. Yes! These are the Nitro Forever Run 2. Nitro Forever Run 2. Runner era. Pero parang hindi ko muna siya bibinyagan na pang running agad. Like, medyo, I wanna wear her. Gusto ko muna siyang bigyan ng fit moments. And then, tsaka natin siya bibigyan ng pantakbo. Kala mo naman talaga tumatakbo. Sa treadmill ako tumatakbo, be. No shade to all of the Strava girlies out there, but I do not like outdoor running. Ayoko nang nilalabas sarili ko sa mga elemento. Sa init, sa usok, sa alikabok, sa dumi, sa insekto. None of that. Bigyan nyo ako ng podcast sa earphones. Kaya ko tumakbo sa treadmill na 1 oras, walang problema. Pero pag sa labas, ay bakla, give up. Give up at a seat. So Strava girlies out there, couldn't be me. Strava girlies, couldn't be me. Yes, indoor running for the win. Diba? Pwede naman tumakbo ng may aircon. New gym shoes na yan, nak. Sorry, hindi mo size. Mina, pinapanood live mo while indoor walking right now. Diba? Like, indoor running, indoor walking is the tea. Like she really said, Tapos may ganong atake. Podcast atake. Ganyan tapos, ganon. Little Miss ayaw tumakbo sa village ng BG. Anong village? Gaga, hindi yun village. Pinapatakbo mo ako sa tabi ng kanal ng BGC. Tama ba yun? Dumi ng hangin. Ang dumi ng hangin doon, Miggy Papi. Mais ka dyan. Okay, anyway. Palit outfit, Tonton. Sorry, kakadating lang. Are you doing podcast beginner first lesson? First lesson, yes, of course. Definitely, yes, of course. Pwede daw siyang silipan. Pwede daw siyang silipan. So, shy siya. Bakit siya nakahubad? Dan na siya sa straight boy era niya. Correct. Okay. So, oh my God, medyo maraming pieces to. But for number 1, ito yung shorts niya. FB10 ka, Nide. Nak, baka internet mo yun. Good night, Mix. Hope to see you soon here sa Cebu. I love you and take care always. Hi! Sana ma-heal ng Cebu ang ang pagka-broken hearted ko sa canceled show. Cebu, arte ni Tonton mana sa Mami Char. Correct. Mamas boy yan, parang hindi arte yan. Pero siya, gender fluid siya. We do not restrict the self-expression of our children in this household. Anyway, ayan, number 1, naka-shorts na siya. Ayan, medyo thick size siya. Siksik yung legs niya. Siksik yung legs niya eh. Okay. Outfit, now, clothing item number 2. Meron siyang parang cute na musical kinemerut. Para bang manguhuli siya ng cloak arts? Parang nga. Parang nga yan siya, manguhuli nga yan siya ng claw cards, nga yan siya. Okay. Ayan. Ito so far, ang tangkad mo masyado naging crop top. Tonton thick correct. Bye, ma, good night. I love you. I love you back. Okay. Clothing item number, paano to sinusuot? Ayan. Clothing item number 2. Number 2. Human hair for Tonton naman, Mamshi. Ano yan? Bald queen. Miss Tonton is a bald queen. Sasha Velour atake niya. Bitin. Sorry na kasi. Yung mga binibili ko kasing damit para sa kanya, yung para sa mga 20cm na idol dolls, kinemerut, ganyang atake. Eh siya, 28 centimeters siya. So talagang medyo mabibitin sa kanya ang mga damit. Hey. Pero okay lang, cute naman siya. Ano daw siya? Revealing. Skimpy clothing atake ni Tonton. Wait lang. Taas ko nga yung shorts niya para hindi naman sobrang crop na crop yung kanyang crop top. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ayan siya so far. And then, the last piece of clothing na kanyang susuotin. Ayan. But wait, there's more. Wait lang. Hold the phone. Pag sinabi kong hold the phone. Kasi, please! Sabi niya, wait. Anak, galingan mo. Magpakitang gilas ka. Release! It's not exactly my entrance look, but may nahanap akong like card captor Sakura inspired outfit. So, diba? Mix siya nila atake niya. Hala. Ayan, ikaw ang star of the night. Star of the night, Miss Tonton. Yes, girly lang siya. Sabi niya, I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl in the world. Okay, picture tayo na. Ayan. Ayan. Ito na si Tonton sa kanyang bagong outfit. Fit check. Roller skates na lang kulang. Malaki yung, mana sa nanay, malaki yung paa. Wala siyang shoes na magkasya. Malaki yung paa. Tonton thick. Tonton thick boy. Anyway, ayun. Ayan ang kanyang card captor Sakura Fantasy. Anyway, ayun na tayo. Thanks for hanging out with me for another Mix Smart Fest. Diyan na tayo magtapos tonight at marami nang matutulog. Marami nang kanina pang nagko-comment na matutulog na daw sila pero hindi pa rin naman tulog. Charis. Mala popstar ang paa. Cory. Ayan o. Popstar bench yung paa. When live ulit, para, baka mag-live ako, well, hindi, ano na yun eh, medyo like, late na yun in the night. Pero baka mag-live ako pag nag-aayos ako on Friday. Let's see, abangan natin. But yeah, thank you. Good night. Mwah. Nak, say good night. Ah, wait, yung hat mo nalaglag. Baka malaglag yung hat. Ala. Good night.